Major Elena Carter had always carried herself with the sharp discipline of an Air Force officer. Her posture was impeccable, her smile just as bright as her uniformed medals. But that smile, the very symbol of her confidence, was shattered the day she walked into Dr. Harlan's dental clinic. She had gone in for a simple procedure, a routine crown replacement that should have taken an hour at most. Instead, she left with searing pain, fractured enamel, and an unsettling sense that something had gone terribly wrong. Within weeks, her once pristine teeth had begun to crumble. Each glance in the mirror reminded her of what had been stolen: her dignity, her health, and her trust. Dr. Harlan dismissed her complaints, insisting it was normal sensitivity. But Elena wasn't a woman to be brushed aside. She had faced storms in the sky, long deployments, and the weight of command. If she could fly combat missions, she could certainly face down a negligent dentist. The courtroom was her new battlefield. Dressed in her crisp uniform, Elena stood tall as her lawyer presented evidence of malpractice. Photographs showed the deterioration of her teeth, medical records detailed corrective surgeries she now needed, and testimonies from other patients revealed a pattern of recklessness. Dr. Harlan sat smugly at his table, tapping his pen, certain no jury would side with a soldier against a respected doctor. But when Elena took the stand, her words cut sharper than any cross-examination. She spoke not just of her pain, but of betrayal. How someone sworn to heal had instead left her scarred. The jury listened, captivated. She wasn't just an officer, she was a human being whose trust had been violated. When the verdict came, silence filled the room. Dr. Harlan was found liable for malpractice, ordered to pay damages that would cover Elena's treatment, and more. Walking out of the courthouse, Elena didn't smile. Not yet. But she knew one day she would again. This time, her smile wouldn't just reflect pride in her service, but triumph over injustice.